Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad after.
Hereby I declare Christopher and Josephine husband and wife.
Na, 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 na.
Hi. As you see, we're going to get a little bit romantic now. I'm Stefania. I work for Studioventisette, the agency in charge for communication and marketing of Sposami and Verona. The city hall serves for Verona as destination wedding. Let me begin with a statement. Verona is just perfect for celebrate your love story following the myth of Romeo and Juliet. Obviously, this the one of the main reason why Verona is called the city of love. Walking and getting lost in the street of the city, you can find yourself in following the legend. And this is the greatest love story of all time, so it's just amazing. Verona, because it's something else, like it's a great city. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its architecture and urban structure. I think the city, and I think about like a Chinese box, you know? You open it and you discover every corner, every moment, something new. It's art, it's history, obviously, but it's also beauty and stories, secrets, and of course, amazing features. Obviously, when I think of Verona, it's like a monumental city, it's classical, it's a Roman arena, and so on, but it's also very, very romantic. I think about the gorgeous view, and this is the reason why Verona is the perfect set for your wedding photos. With Sposami Verona, our service, you can come to our city and celebrate your love with all kinds of civil ceremony, like civil weddings, civil unions, the promise of love for engagement, anniversary, and the blessing of course, the most famous, the promise of love on the Juliet balcony. In fact, Sposami Verona, which literally means in Italian, marry me in Verona, so it's easy to remember, provide you a large amount of location, the Juliet House and Juliet Balcony, but also historic palace and beautiful buildings and outstanding, really outstanding villas with gardens. You can see it in the video. So it's kind of amazing. And our service also assures you and provides you all kinds of wedding service like music, entertainment, and all you need for a perfect day for your wedding or ceremony is necessary. So, Verona, the city of love, is waiting for you for discovery it, and I hope to see you very, very soon for a wedding or anniversary or any other romance or love story you have to tell us. And now I left the spot to Carla from Museo Nicolis. Thank you.